Hello and welcome to catgurus.com. Let us have a look at how to take a test. So let's take a test here. We have directions, so you can look at the directions and start the test. Looking at this, you have a ticker which is running on top. So its time remaining is 18 minutes and 51 seconds and it's counting downwards. You have an option of finishing the test the moment you're done. You have a review option wherein you can look at the questions that you've marked. Now how do you mark a question? Using this mark button. So the moment you mark this question, you go to review, you can see, okay, this question is flagged, which means that you've marked it for review in future. If you take a test, you can go through the paper, attempt all the questions that you think that you have confidence in, and mark all the questions where you think that, okay, once I'm done with the easy questions, I'll come back to these questions. So you can mark them, and once you're done with all the questions that you've attempted, you can come back and review those questions. With the previous and next button, you can navigate between them. In case there are 2 or 3 sections in the paper, which is actually CAT, you can navigate, but the moment you navigate from section 1 to section 2, it will prompt you in case there is a time limit, which is in case of CAT. So CAT gives you a 70-minute time limit for the first section. So if you go to the second section, then it will tell you that you cannot come back. However, CAT says you cannot go to the second section before 70 minutes. So here you cannot go there. So once your 70 minutes are over, then only you can go to the next section. Now this is how you go through the entire paper. Once you've marked an option and you still want to probably unmark it, so you can click the clear option and it will get cleared. And one more thing about this is, suppose there is a problem, suppose there is an internet connection error. So if there is an internet connection error, so here's the message, there seems to be an error in the connection, system will automatically retry to connect in so many seconds. You can also click on try now, but till the time it does not reconnect, it will not allow you to take the test. If there is a fatal error, all of a sudden your system shuts down. So you can be rest assured that wherever you left the test, it will start from there only. Right, let's click on try now. So it's started again. Suppose I have marked 10 questions and all of a sudden there is a power failure or your system gets corrupted or something else happens. Murphy's law applies everywhere, right? So if something else happens, of course you can go back, start the test again and it will start there itself. So let's say it is 16 minutes and 50 seconds right now, and if I close it, what happens? If I go back and take the test, where will it start? It says 16 minutes 51 seconds. So you can start from there itself, right? So this is how we help you in avoiding such situations where you might be at the receiving end. All the best and good luck.